Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to press DTF transfers on spray painted trays. This is a plastic dollar store tray, magnetic tray. It magnetizes to the tray, so I thought it was pretty cool. But I made a print that I'm going to also use. Now, I'm not going to use any epoxy, and this is going to be tested just to see the longevity for its actual purpose, to see if coating it would be best. Maybe just one spray, or maybe you can epoxy it if you'd like to, but I do like that I could just print, powder, and press. These images are 9 by 5.5, and these are like, I want to say 2.2 by 1.9 on those. I've set my Cricut Mini to the hottest temperature. I got fuzz everywhere. This was thrown. Anyway. And then I'm going to press for a couple of seconds all the way until I continue to touch the entire image. I'm also placing it where it's not on the crevices. Alright, wish me luck. Hold on. What the hell? I don't know if I'm doing this right or wrong, but hey, y'all are taking the journey with me. I'm sure I got every letter. Alright, I'm going to let it cool off a little bit. I'm going to do this side. Bad idea. Probably one full press would have worked for this one. I didn't align it and I forgot. Crap. Alright. That's probably not going to stick on there. We're about to find out. I have it on the crevice of the tray, so it's going to be a little difficult to iron that little piece. I'm struggling, yo. Alright. Let that cool off, because that one's for sure a blooper. That one didn't get pressed right there. I'm going to press the edge. Alright, let that cool. Come from the top. Oop. The E needs to be pressed. Now this is what I mean by make sure you touch the whole image. It's a little messed up now, but hey, you guys are here learning with me. Boom. The E and the R is a little messed up from me pressing too hard, but overall, it's there. Like the way it feels. I suggest having a plan when you're pressing it, right? So that you know if you've pressed it or not. May have not gotten this corner. I didn't get the top corner, so hold on. Again, I recommend you peeling slowly, because if you have a chance of fixing it, why not? I messed up on this one horribly. That's alright. Y'all learn through my mistakes, and then y'all can perfect it for me. Alright, I recommend less pressure. As you see, the bottom there looks like it's pancaked. I should have used a white tray. At any rate, these are just test pilots for me to test them under their conditions. Alright. Ooh. Bad idea. 5 seconds at a time is all I recommend. Alright, let's hope for the best. Y'all, these are experiments. Don't judge me. Not too bad. Oop, wait, I didn't put her down. Alright. I burned it. Obviously, that's what I was trying to avoid. So I guess doing this with one hand would be best. Or with both hands. I'm gonna let that cool off. And so I guess you'd have to pressure apply.